How to withdraw money from Shopify. So hi there guys. First things first, we need to simply sign into our Shopify account here in our web browser. So once you have signed into your Shopify account, go to the lower left-hand corner of your Shopify and click on the settings button. So when you click on settings, what you're going to do is that you're simply going to the payment section of Shopify. So let's look for payments. Okay. All right. So here, let's go back up and there you have it. So we have payments right here. So one thing that you need to do is that you need to activate the payment providers, or you need to choose a payment provider. So say for example, here with our PayPal, we have simply added our PayPal. However, it is actually inactive. So we need to activate our PayPal account. So in order to do that, you just need to simply click on the hyperlink activate PayPal in this section. And basically, it will route you to this section. So the PayPal Express checkout. So click the green button and it will route you to a separate page afterwards. So here you just need to sign up to connect your PayPal account and to start accepting payments on Shopify. So there, another way is to add a provider. So say for example, you want to add your to checkout. So there, you just need to follow the process right here and then activate your to checkout. Okay, and click on the activate to checkout right there. So, all right, so what you can do actually after you have added a payment provider is that there will be a manage button right there to access your payout settings. So from there, you just need to click on request payout to withdraw your earnings from your Shopify, and then you may be asked to identify or verify your identification before you can withdraw the funds. And once you have requested the payout, it will go directly to your bank 3 to 5 business days, depending on your location and your banking institution. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video helpful.